Hey guys, how do you do? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make pancake, the easiest and simplest way of making pancake at home without it getting sticky. You know, when you want to make pancake, the first and the second one normally get sticky to the frying pan. So hope you follow my method to avoid your pancake, the first and your second pancake. Hope you so that you avoid it being sticky to the pot. Stay tuned and enjoy. And also kindly subscribe to our channel and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Your flour, already filtered flour, and vanilla flavor, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of sugar with milk. I used 1 egg because I don't like the smell of egg. So normally you can use 2, but I use just 1 because of that. And your oil. So after adding your sugar and milk, make sure you stir properly to beat the molds. To smoothen the molds with the batter, make sure you stir properly. And add your vanilla essence to reduce the smell of the egg. And stir properly. Now I'm using this spoon to melt the stubborn molds, so they need to smoothen. Bring all the molds from the corner of the plate, then you melt them together. You want your pancake to be smooth. And always check your consistency. Don't over add water. You don't want it to be too watery. You need it just to be right, not too sticky and not too watery. Always remember to fry on low heat. If you use high heat, it will burn your pancake. So always fry on low heat. This is the first pancake. Don't add more than 1 spoon to your frying pan. If you add more than 1 spoon, everything is going to be ruined. Add just 1 spoon so that you'll be able to flip it without it getting scattered or sticky to your spoon. So you drop just a little oil. Don't want our pancake to soak oil, so you drop a little. And now is the time to add the second cake. Just 1 spoon is okay. Scoop gently, then press it to the pan for the heat to get into it. Press and press until you start hearing the frying sound. That means your cake is ready. The pancake is ready.
Since the Aboki has told you that the thing does not really have value. I know that one. Like I even stored it here. No problem. Right.
Our second pancake is done. So now I'm adding the third pancake. This time I'm doing 2 spoons. You can do as much as you want. So there will be no stickiness again. You can fry it easily from here. Okay guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell to get more notifications whenever we post any video, and also kindly subscribe to our channel to get more tutorials on cooking, DIYs and fashion and everything entertaining. Also give the video thumbs up. Okay people, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a lovely day. So now let me go and enjoy my breakfast. Thank you so much. Ciao.